don't pull it. Just the machine will push you.
Okay.
It will push you directly. But don't push too much. Just a little bit push. The machine will push you move backward.
Okay.
But don't pull. If you pull, not good.
Okay.
Then
Solita la máquina se va
Yeah.
se va a ir
Yeah, when you do it this, you can use
to hold it.
This one to hold it. It's a 45 degree. It will push you. You can feel it. You try several times, you will find out that it's good. The tips you will find out. 45
Can
degree.
he spot it? Can he spot weld it?
Yes, there is spot welding function.
Oh, okay.
Se queda trabada.
Constantly.
How does he break them off?
A little bit vertical.
Oh, se lo pone como derecho.
Yeah. So, but what you doing? You was doing is like this. See this angle? This angle is too big. It's like a 45.
Oh, 45 that way.
From the horizon, this is the 45, and this one to this is the 45. Like this.
Sí, un poquito más así para atrás de 45.
把那个红点设在那个擦上面就行。
Like this. It's 45 degrees, 45 degrees.
45 así.
Yes. Exactly. Like this. This is
Yeah,
this angle is
the same
45,
skill.
And this angle from the horizon, this
Aquí
is 45.
45 y 45.
Yes.
45 and 45.
Yes.
Ya eso lo
Hold it.
45 para atrás, para hacia ti.
Yeah, the angle is good.
Más para atrás.
Yeah. Push. Really push. Yes. Good. So don't push too much.
Fácil.
Just feel it will push you.
Ok, solito se empuja. Derechita, hazla así derecha.
You shoot the red light on the wire. The red light is a laser.
The right spot.
Red spot.
We'll move it. We'll cut.
Yeah.
It. Here's the right spot.
Yeah. The laser will cut the
It's
wire.
much better than the first time.
Much better?
Much
Let me see.
It's good. The starting is good, and yeah, white happened is some black spots because
good.
he resisted too much. He
Yeah,
pushed it
good.
too much. Just feel don't push it too much.
Yeah.
Alright, you go.
这个还不错。
Nice.
He wants to try it too.
Yeah.
¿Quién?
Pero otra lámina de cuero.
Ya, mira, son dos aquí. Much better this one.
Yeah, that one.
Yeah, he welded.
If you have
Yeah.
you
He's
have,
the expert
material,
on welding.
you can do it.
That's the one.
Let me see this.
The one.
Another piece.
Yeah, he welded.
Oh, man.
My colleague Jonathan.
Oh,
Yeah, perfect.
that one's perfect.
Yeah. Yeah, you can do perfect after
Yeah.
practice. Maybe
就
2
关键那个
hours.
参数嘛不好设。One key is to set the
Yeah.
parameters.
Once
Yeah.
everything.
But once you select the red parameter, you can start it in the machine.
you
It's
can,
like
you can use
for
it next
next
time.
time.
Yeah,
Yeah.
memory to use it
Yeah,
next time.
exactly.
Every time, it's very stable. Every time like this. Yeah, every time like this.
Exactly. Yeah.
As it should be. That's the
So that's a smart machine.
Oh.
Yeah.
that
Yes.
It's
顺
good.
便再看一下。
yes. Yes.
这边是不是不稳，有点不稳定？可以，因为它对面穿了嘛，对，应该是要冷却一下再翻。啊？
Yeah.
1 millimeter, and the wire is the diameter of the wire is 1 millimeter.
No, but what can you weld 24 gauge?
24 gauge. How many millimeters? We use metric units.
Oh.
Yeah.
It should be easier.
这个好吧
1.2, 1.5 millimeter.
哦，那有啊，我们有那个。
24 gauge 是0.5毫米。
0.5毫米啊，
对，
那搞不了啊。你先拉一下
Okay.
let me try it here.
不要在这上面拉。
嗯
Use another new one
速度是多
to
少
do the test.
速
Huh?
度是多少
Speed. The weld feeder didn't work.
It works.
I turn off the weld feeder.
哦
You
那
control
我就
speed.
自己拉快一点。
Yeah.
Let me try it. I never did this thickness.
再快点。Okay. Because it's very thin, so we don't use the wire. We just control speed very fast. Swipe.
The same disc, you don't use wire in this one either?
We can use it
Yeah, you
without wire.
can.
We can. Give me more pieces. Let me try it for you.
Ah, it's good.
Try if it's stable enough.
It's perfect for this one. I like this one. It's very strong. The penetration is good, you see? Yeah, it's good.
其实听话也可以给他试一下哟，是吧
You speak English?
Let me try this. Oh, Carl,
Maybe we take some
this
new.
is 24 gauge. It's one 24 gauge, one 18 gauge. 18 gauge, 22 gauge.
So it's different.
But it works. With wire, it's weird. It works. Sorry, see? Let me try the without wire for the 18 gauge. Let me try. It's 18 gauge. 18 gauge.
I think we need some new metal.
Another 18 gauge.
Yeah.
不平了。
We need some new metal.
对。 你对焦，我这边会用一点力。
Can you see it? No problem?
A little bit time is fine. Not a long time. We have the glasses. Okay.
This is 24 without wire,
How is it
but not because it's not even, so
How this one 24?
24. Let me try. 要不要给它加到30把功率？不用加了，就25吧，因为没有丝，对吧？丝会吸收一定热量。
Okay. 20%. Should we use 20%
This 18, this is 24.
25.
24.
看它那个贴合吗？
嗯
OK.
贴合，我用了一些力。
Nice. It's good. Can see that. good. That's very nice.
开始的时候有点慢了。
But with wire, it's to be stronger, to be better.
With
Without
wires,
wire.
with spiral.
With wire it will be more stronger.
Like this one with wire.
This is with wire?
Sorry. With the one with wire. Yeah.
This with wire.
So a little bit different.
This is 18. This is 18.
最高的 check.
This with wire. This without wire.
This with a wire. This 24 with wire. It's with wire.
Just this one is with wire, right? This one 24, right?
This
Look at this one.
18 to 18. This with wire. 18. This is all for 18. This 18.
Tengo para.
Yeah, no.
La pinche lámina, güey, nomás de frente, como nomás le pones así una pasada. Can you put wire on this one? Not too thin for wire?
This is without wire.
Huh?
This is without wire.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, we can try with wire.
We can do wire.
No.
You want me with wire to redo it?
Yeah, let me get the para el hambre.
We can try the other side with wire. We can try this side with wire. Oh, it's already. Yeah, we try a new one. We try a new one.
固定一下，你再定一下，定住它，我可能会推它一下。
Use wire or no wire?
Without wire.
Okay.
This is without wire. 18 to 18. But the power is should be increased a little bit. It's better.
Is in the same color?
Right now it's 24% of the power. We can increase to 30 or 35. It will be better than this one.
Yeah. Jonathan was born for welding. He was born for welding.
Hopefully. Yeah, this one because the power is too small. Is that we can increase the power for the.
Can you
18.
do like this, like a couple like
Spot welding?
spot welding?
We can do it. We can do it.
Yeah, because we got long pieces. We got like 10 feet. So you
Yeah.
want 1, 2, so you want so you want warp, and then
When you want spot welding, you have two choices. You pull the trigger,
yeah.
right? Pull trigger, welding. You don't pull trigger, not weld.
Okay.
This is one thing. This during the continuous welding.
Mhm.
We have two models. When continuous welding, you can do like this. We have spot welding. We have spot welding model.
Oh,
You choose spot welding. You always press trigger to like this. The machine will control. You can change the time, change the speed. Yeah.
Okay.
So there is two ways for spot welding.
Okay.
Yeah.
没有弄反吧？这个就在下边了，这没有弄反哈。没有。那可能还是卡不住这个角呢。那这个就，就这样卡住角，这样卡住角是不是？其实。 试一下吧。不拿斜的。
这
确实简单，但是它因为它看两遍嘛，它会有颜色。This is much easier. Use this because we welded it 2 times.